Hey everyone, welcome back to English with Stage. Let's make learning English simple and fun together. If you want to speak English fluently but don't have time for classes or partners, guess what? You are already using one of the best tools every day, social media. Yes, apps like YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and even WhatsApp can help you learn English naturally. In this video, I'll tell you how to use social media to improve your English fluency step by step. Let's get started. So guys, we every day use social media. Some people use it for 3 hours. Some people use at least for 1 hour. If you're watching videos on YouTube or Instagram Reels, then at least I believe the people of India nowadays watching YouTube or Instagram at least more than 1 hour. So you can utilize this time in learning English. Here how you can do this, let me tell you. So please like, share, subscribe the channel if you haven't. Please subscribe the channel. As we all know, social media is available 24/7. It's fun, interactive, and full of real conversations. You don't need a classroom, you just need your phone. But here is the key things. Instead of just scrolling, start learning. On Instagram or Facebook, people use real life English, slangs, expressions, common phrases, everything you need to sound natural. And the best part, you can learn at your own pace and practice anytime. Whenever you are available, you are traveling, you are even going to sleep, you have some time, you can watch YouTube, social media just to learn English, just to become a fluent. So this is one of the big benefits for you guys. You can learn it on your own convenience. Now let's talk about what to actually follow. YouTube, watch English videos with subtitles. Channels like mine, English with Stage, or others that focus on daily English are perfect. Listen carefully, pause, repeat, shadow the speaker. Means whatever the speaker is saying, just pause the video and repeat. You will notice that after doing this every day, following this shadowing technique, you will be able to repeat with the speaker, with their tone, like their pronunciation. You can ditto, copy them while watching the YouTube, Instagram, or Facebook. On Instagram, follow pages that post word of the day, phrases, or short reels with spoken English. Watch reels with captions. Reels are great because they are short, fun, and full of spoken English. And on Facebook, join English learning groups. You can post, comment, or just read others' posts. Even reading comments helps you understand how people actually write and talk. And here is the most used social media app, that's WhatsApp and Telegram. So join English speaking groups or create one with your friends. Share short voice note every day to practice. You can share your thoughts and vocab, whatever you learn every day, and the sentences on your own groups. You can create the groups with your friends who are also learning English. So this will be a great help for all of you guys who are learning English and want to become a fluent. So make a group today. And here is a smart way to grow your vocabulary on social media. Whenever you see a new word or phrase, save the post, read the sentence aloud. Try using that word in your own sentence. Create at least 3 sentences with that words and use it at least 10 to 20 times and try to note it down in one notebook. So this is going to be a great help for you to learn the English from social media. Let me give you an example. You see a reel that says, "That's impressive." Learn it, use it, and say your presentation was impressive. This way you learn how to use words in real life situations and real life conversations. So also try to make some other sentences like your personality is impressive. Okay, like this, and use it at least 10 to 20 times so that you can get habitual of using such sentences. Whenever you get such situation, the sentence will come out from your mouth automatically if you will do the practice at least 10 to 20 times. And if you want to improve your listening and pronunciation skills, turn on subtitles while watching English videos, listen to English podcasts or reels while doing daily chorus, and remember the shadowing techniques. Repeat what you hear immediately, match the tone, speed and pronunciation, not just once, do it at least 10 times. You will see you have a great improvement happening in your English learning journey. And you can also use social media to write and speak in English. Start commenting in English, even short comments, post stories or short captions in English, record a 30-second reel or voice note explaining your day, explaining any particular topic. So put it on Instagram, YouTube, make it 1 minute, 2 minutes. It will help you to express your thoughts, because if you are a beginner, what is the biggest challenge for you? You have to first think, then you translate, then you speak. Because of this, you don't achieve the fluency. So you need to start speaking from today onwards. Start with speaking small phrases and start making videos, recording yourself, small like 30-second, 1 minute, 2 minutes videos. Try to explain your day, try to explain any particular topics fluently. So it will help you to train your mind without thinking, without translating. You can express your thoughts in English. You can become fluent. Whenever you are going to express your thoughts or making any reel or video, don't think that you have to make a perfect video and there should not be any mistakes. You have to upload or make video every day. It doesn't have to be perfect. Mistakes are okay. They help you to grow. So don't worry about making mistakes. Just try to speak every day. Practice is the key things to become a fluent. Now let's make a simple daily plan using social media. In the morning, watch a short YouTube or Instagram reel in English. In the afternoon, read 10 to 15 minutes English captions or comments. In the evening, write a post or send a voice message in English. Just 30 to 40 minutes a day is enough, but do it every day. That's how fluency builds. So friends, remember, you don't need expensive courses to become fluent. You just need to use your phone smartly. Start using social media as your English learning tool. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below and tell me which part of the video you liked most. If you have any feedback, suggestion, please do comment in the video, and don't forget to subscribe to English with Tej for more practical, simple English tips. See you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing. Thanks for watching.